Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how I reuse packaging for storage and organization. So about 99% of my old packaging comes in the form of Japanese souvenirs, and here's just like a little sneak peek of what I have back here. And the packaging is seriously really good quality. It's quite sturdy and in some cases super cute. So instead of throwing them away, I put them into good use throughout the house. So just keep on watching to see some tips on how to effectively use them for storage and organization. First category packaging we have here are boxes, which make up the majority of my collection. I like to keep things like birthday and holiday cards organized by year, business cards, point and reward cards, old photos, and keepsakes of all of our travels. The rather slim but large surface area of the box makes it ideal for storing chargers as well. The divider here came with the box, so I used it to my advantage in keeping the chargers separate from each other. Storing the chargers in this type of box makes it easy to pick them up and keeps them from getting tangled. Other uses for boxes include makeup, old phones and devices, and keeping the inside of your desk organized. For larger boxes, I found that they were perfect to hold my glasses. I honestly don't use glasses cases as they don't really fit in anywhere very nicely. Plus, this nice box was from Tatcha, and I just could not justify throwing away the packaging after how much I paid for their products. But my favorite use of the boxes are for my pantry, mainly for spices and seasonings. In this before footage, you can see it is rather cluttered and it is hard to find the ingredient that you need. But with boxes, you can see a better organized shelf with easy access to what I need. Next up are these tin cans, which I like to use for more decorative purposes. I place my headbands, phone cases, pens and pencils, and makeup brushes in them. As for the lids, they definitely do not go to waste. I use them to place little items like jewelry, sticky notes, and extra staples. I also have used the larger lids to set my tea bags aside. Last up, we have our miscellaneous packaging. Here I have washed and kept these cute platters that house the green alien mochi from Tokyo Disney, and I am currently using them to store like nail clippers and smaller hygiene items like floss and kids toothpaste. For a larger conical type of container here, I like to use it to store my daughter's smaller toys so that they are all in one place and harder to lose. Storing small candies and chocolates here would work as well. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope I gave you some ideas on how to reuse these packaging materials. Let me know in the comment section if you took any of these ideas and implemented them in your home, or if you had any new ideas I didn't mention in this video. Before you go, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I do a variety of vlogs from Japan and Japanese and Korean beauty videos. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye!